In this video, I want to look at the solutions to Trigonometry 2, exercise level 2, question 2. And if you've not done this question already, please pause the video now and attempt it before looking at the solution. Okay, so in this question we have a circle and we're told the radius of the circle is 5 centimetres and we have a chord AB. So if we draw a chord AB here, and we are asked to find the distance from the chord to the centre. So what that means is it actually means the shortest distance between the centre of the circle, which I'm going to call O, to this point here, which is actually the midpoint of AB, and this distance MO is the distance we're looking for. And we should know that a radius bisects a chord, so this is exactly the midpoint, and it is also perpendicular. So you know this angle here is a right angle. And the other bit of information we're given in the question is that the arc length AB, so this length in green, is 9.3 centimetres. So let's think about what we can do here. We know that arc length is equal to r theta, but we know that the arc length is 9.3, and we also know the value of r. So we know that r is equal to 5, and the arc length is 9.3. So we get 5 theta is 9.3, so theta is 9.3 divided by 5, which is 1.86. So this tells us that this angle here is 1.86 radians. But what we want to find is the length of MO. And what we also know is that AO and OB are radiuses, so they're equal. We know that MO is on both triangles, and we also know we have two right angles. So the triangles AMO and MOB are congruent triangles because they have a right angle, they share a side, and they have a common hypotenuse. That means therefore that angle AOM is equal to angle MOB, as those two triangles are congruent, and therefore this angle is equal to half of 1.86 radians, which is 0.93 radians. So let's now draw out the triangle AMO. The triangle AMO has a length of 5 here, it has a right angle here, and it has an angle here of 0.93 radians. And this is A, this is M, and this is O. So now we can just use some trigonometry to find the length of MO. We know that the cosine of 0.93 is equal to the length of MO over 5. So the length of MO is 5 lots of cosine 0.93, which is approximately equal to 2.989 centimetres to 3 decimal places.